Picture this. You wake up and something's wrong. It's not a sound that woke you, but the lack of one. The house is dead silent. No hum from the fridge, no glow from your alarm clock, no buzz from electronics. You flick a light switch. Nothing. Your phone? Dead. This isn't a regular blackout. This is an EMP, an electromagnetic pulse. CISA has warned us. A major EMP could cripple our infrastructure for months, maybe years. Power, communications, transportation, all gone in a flash. I'm Zach, a prepper since 2012. I prepare not out of fear, but responsibility. You don't need a bunker to survive. Preparedness starts at home. Today I'll show you 11 affordable EMP-proof household items that could save your life. Let's get into it. First up, manual hand tools. When an EMP hits, your power tools are useless. A hammer, screwdrivers, wrenches, handsaw, and hand drill become survival essentials. Need to board up a window or fix a door? Manual tools are your only option. Analog always works. I learned this during a week-long blackout. My manual saw got the job done when electric tools failed. Your ability to maintain and secure your home depends on these basics. You don't need expensive brands, just sturdy, reliable tools. Use them, get comfortable, and teach your family. The skills you build are as important as the tools themselves. When the lights go out, those who can build and fix will be community pillars. Be one of those people. Your toolbox will be invaluable. Don't just own tools, know how to use them. Manual tools are non-negotiable for real preparedness. Next, the kitchen. When the power's out, your electric gadgets are useless. A manual can opener is a must. Most emergency food is canned, and without a way to open it, you're stuck. Get a few sturdy manual can openers and stash them in your kitchen, car, and go bag. Manual food choppers, graters, and a hand-cranked grain mill let you prep food without power. Coffee lovers, get a manual grinder and a French press or percolator. I once struggled to open a can during a blackout. Don't make my mistake. For every electric appliance, find a manual alternative: whisk, mortar and pestle, rolling pin, meat grinder. Stock your kitchen with tools that work no matter what. Redundancy and simplicity are key. Don't rely on a single solution. Manual kitchen tools keep you fed and sane. Fire is survival: cooking, boiling water, warmth, and light. Stock up on Bic lighters, cheap, reliable, and great for barter. Keep them everywhere. Kitchen, car, bug-out bag. Lighters can fail, so add waterproof matches for backup. Store matches in waterproof containers. Ferro rods are next. Thousands of strikes. Work wet or dry. Practice using them until it's second nature. Magnesium fire starters are the ultimate backup. Shave, spark, and ignite even damp tinder. Redundancy is crucial. Lighters, matches, ferro rods, magnesium. Fire starting is a non-negotiable skill. Don't just buy, practice. Fire is life. Water is life. After an EMP, tap water won't last, and it won't stay safe. Get a gravity-fed water filter like a Berkey or Alexapure. No power needed, just pour and wait. These filters remove bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals. For backup, keep water purification tablets in your go bag and vehicle. If you have a well, install a manual pump alongside your electric one. Contaminated water kills more than combat ever has. Sanitation will fail, and surface water will be risky. Layer your water plan. Home filter, tablets for backup, manual pump for wells. Don't gamble with water. Safe water is your top priority. When night falls, darkness will be absolute. Stock up on long-burning emergency candles and oil lamps. Store lamp oil too. Oil lamps are safer and brighter than candles. Use blackout curtains to keep your light hidden. Don't advertise your supplies. For portable light, get hand-crank flashlights and lanterns. No batteries needed. Many crank lights have built-in radios and solar panels. Use oil lamps for rooms, candles for backup, crank lights for tasks. Light discipline is crucial for security. Practice using all your light sources. Don't be left in the dark. Light is comfort and safety. After an EMP, information is survival. Your only link to the outside world will be radio. Get a crank or solar-powered radio. AM/FM and NOAA weather alerts are essential. Emergency broadcasts will be your lifeline for news and warnings. Battery-only radios are short-term, crank and solar last. Practice tuning your radio and know your local NOAA channels. Keep it accessible. When the world goes silent, a working radio is hope. Stay informed, stay ahead. Security matters. Electronic locks and safes? Useless after an EMP. Replace them with mechanical deadbolts and safes with dial or key locks. If you have a smart lock, reinstall a physical one. For safes, mechanical dials are proven and reliable. If you can't swap out an electronic safe, have tools and a plan to access it as a last resort. Store important documents, cash, valuables, and emergency supplies in mechanical safes. Assess every lock in your home. If it needs power, it's a liability. Mechanical security is simple, robust, and EMP-proof. Don't risk losing access to your preps. Upgrade your locks now. Security starts with the basics. Cars will die, bikes will thrive. A simple, non-electric bicycle is the ultimate grid-down vehicle. It lets you travel miles, carry gear, and move faster than on foot. Choose a sturdy mountain or hybrid bike, easy to repair, tough on rough roads. Learn basic bike maintenance, fix flats, adjust brakes, oil the chain, stock spare tubes, patch kits, and tools. Add racks or a trailer for hauling supplies. Keep your bike ready to go. In a world without cars, a bike is freedom and survival. Don't overlook this essential tool. No power means no heat, no stove. A wood stove is the gold standard, heats your home and cooks your food. If you can't install one, get an indoor safe propane heater and store fuel. Always ventilate and use a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. For cooking, use a fire pit, camp stove, or grill. Just store enough fuel. Practice cooking over fire before disaster strikes. Learn to manage heat and use cast iron cookware. The right gear and skills keep you warm, fed, and healthy. Don't wait to learn. Practice now. Heat and hot meals are survival essentials. Comfort matters in a crisis. Prepare before you need it. No 911, no ER, first aid is on you. Build a real first aid kit. Tourniquets, pressure dressings, chest seals, hemostatic agents, stock meds for infection, pain, allergies, and at least 90 days of prescriptions. Learn to use your kit, take a Stop the Bleed course, get CPR and first aid certified. Wilderness. First aid training is a huge plus. Organize your kit and make sure everyone knows where it is. Supplies are useless without skills. You're the first responder now. Stabilize injuries, prevent infection, and manage illness. In a world without doctors, you are the doctor. Prepare for that responsibility. Digital money vanishes. Cash and barter rule. Keep small bills, ones, fives, tens, 20s, hidden but accessible. As cash loses value, barter takes over. Stock high-demand items, lighters, coffee, alcohol, cigarettes, soap, toilet paper, ammo, peanut butter, hygiene products, medical supplies. Barter items let you trade for what you need without dipping into your core supplies. They build goodwill and alliances. Prep to be valuable in the new economy. Don't forget, tangible goods are true wealth. Think small, consumable, and in demand. Barter is survival currency. Be ready to trade. That's 11 EMP-proof items to keep you safe and self-reliant. It's not about having the most gear, but the right gear and skills. Start small. Buy a manual can opener and lighters this week, a crank radio next week. Small steps add up fast. I've made a free guide to building a 90-day food supply on a budget. Link in the description. Share this video, like, and comment which item you'll get first. Subscribe for more no-nonsense prepping tips. Stay calm, stay steady, stay prepared. See you next time.